Yesterday evening, an unknown person threw a stone at a four-wheeler vehicle passing on the Dahod Karbala highway near Devda village. The incident injured a 9-year-old girl who was sitting in the vehicle. Ankit Bhai Soni, a resident of Karbala, was driving his family in their four-wheeler car to Dahod to attend the function. Around 7 p.m. near Devda village, an unknown individual threw a stone at the moving car. The stone shattered the rear door window glass and entered the vehicle, striking Ankit Bhai's daughter Dhruvi on the face. The caused serious injuries to her facial area. The injured Dhruvi was immediately rushed to a private hospital in Dahod for treatment, where she required around 10 stitches on her face. She is currently undergoing treatment in the hospital. In connection with the incident, Ankit Bhai Soni has logged a complaint against the unknown assistant at Karbala police station. The police has initiated an investigation based on the complaint.
મારું નામ અંકિત સોની. ગઈકાલે સાંજના સમયે ગરબાડાથી દાહોદ એક ફંક્શન અટેન્ડ કરવા જતા દેવધા ગામે શેરી આગળ મારી ગાડી પર પથ્થરથી હુમલો થયેલ છે, જેમાં મારી છોકરીને મોઢાના ભાગે ઈજા થયેલી છે, જેમાં 9 થી 10 ટાંકા એને મોઢા પર આવેલા છે.